Hi everyone and welcome to this lesson. Today we have grammar in Unit 3, Lesson 1. Our subject is present continuous. We are going to talk about how to use present continuous. Let's talk about the using of present continuous. Use present continuous for an action that happens at the time of speaking. For an action that happens at the time of speaking. What does that mean? It means we are doing an action now. We are doing an action now. The common expressions of present continuous is that, for example, now, at the moment, today, okay? Let's talk about the affirmative of present continuous. By affirmative, we mean the positive of present continuous. The structure of positive is that subject plus verb to be plus verb ing. Okay? By verb to be, we mean is, are. Okay? Is, and are. And our verb must have ing. Okay? With the subject I, we use With the subjects like you, we, they, we use are. Okay? With third person singular, he, she, it, we use is. All of them plus verb ing. Okay? The verb must have ing. Okay? Let's talk about the spelling rules of ing. Okay? The first one is that if the verb ends with e, we remove the e and add ing then. Okay? If the verb ends with e, we remove the e and then we add ing. Look at these verbs. Ends with e later. When we add ing, we remove that e, then we add ing. Okay? For example, ride, riding, make, making, write, writing. The second rule is that if the verb ends with consonant plus vowel plus consonant, we double the final consonant and add ing. Okay? Look at these verbs. Here we have sit, which contains consonant plus vowel, I, and then plus consonant. When we add ing, okay, we will double the final consonant, which is T later. Here we have the double T, and then we add ing. Okay? Sit, sitting, plan, planning, swim, swimming. Look at these verbs. The final consonant are double: sitting, planning, and swimming. Okay? The second rule is that if the verb ends with ie, we change ie to y, then we add ing. Look at these verbs: lie, die, and tie. All of them ends with ie. When we add ing, okay, we change that ie to y, then we add ing. Lie becomes lying, die, dying, tie, tying. Okay? The fourth rule is that if we don't have these rules that we talked about before, we just add ing. Okay? We just add ing. For example, feel, feeling, go, going, work, working. Okay? Let's look at these examples. She is throwing snowballs. She is throwing snowballs. Here we have subject and we have verb to be is And here we have verb ing. She is throwing snowballs. The second example is that I am playing football. I am playing football. Again, that sentence contains what? Subject plus verb to be plus verb ing, and then the rest of the sentence, which indicates complement. Okay, here we have subject plus verb to be plus verb ing. I am playing football. Let's talk about the negative of present continuous. The structure of negative is that subject plus am not or isn't or aren't plus verb ing. Okay, plus verb ing. Again, we have ing here. For example, it isn't raining now. It isn't raining now. Here we have isn't, which indicates that the sentence is negative. It isn't raining now. Look at the picture. We mean that it is a sunny day. That's why we say it isn't raining now. I am not eating sandwich. I am not eating sandwich. So what he is doing? If he is not eating sandwiches, what he is eating? He is eating pizza. Look, he is eating pizza. That's why we say I am not eating sandwich. I am not eating sandwich. Let's talk about the question of present continuous. Okay, we just change the position of subject to verb to be. Okay, here we have first verb to be plus subject plus verb ing. Okay, for example, are Sarah and Shwan swimming? Look at Sarah and Shwan. Are they swimming? No, they aren't. So what they are doing? They are running. They are running. Look at the second sentence. Is he singing? That boy, is he singing? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Let's review our topic that we read today. We talked about present continuous. We said that it is used for an action that happens at the time of speaking. For an action that happens at the time of speaking. Okay? We mean that we are doing an action now. Okay? The general rule for present continuous is that subject plus verb to be plus verb ing. This rule is used for positive one, and for negative one is the subject plus verb to be plus not plus verb ing, and for the question form is that we said that we change the position of verb to be with subject then verb ing. Look at this sentence. He is reading a book. This sentence is positive and it is present continuous. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. He, it's the subject, is verb to be, reading verb ing. Look at the second sentence. I'm not driving a car. I'm not driving a car. That sentence is indicate negative one. I is the subject. I'm not indicates that the sentence is negative, which is verb to be. Then we have driving verb ing. And the third one is that are they buying the house? Here the question form of present continuous. Are they buying the house? Because the first one is verb to be, then we have subject, then we have verb ing, buying. Are they buying the house? Okay. Thanks, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.